Hey, Math Superstars group. So I know how much you look forward to Math Superstars every week, and I am not Jacob, but I just wanted to go over the answers with you. And this video is going to be fairly quick because I just am going to go over the answers. But if you would like me to go into any more detail about any of them, I would like for you to comment below, tell me what number, and then I can give you a more in-depth explanation of why that answer is what it is. And even if below you want to tally up your own little stars and you can tell me how many you get, I'll still update your chart. If you notice too, I gave you a new superstar sheet, so you can do that. And next Tuesday, I'll do the same thing. I'll jump on here and I'll give you an update on the answers. So I put the thing up underneath the projector on the board here. I don't know how well you can see it. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me as well. I'm going to speak really loud. But again, if you have any questions, you're just going to comment on the Google Classroom post, not on the actual YouTube video post. So go into Google Classroom and just say, hey, Ms. Woolman, I didn't hear your answer for number 3, or I didn't understand how you got the answer for number 3, so can you please go into more detail about that, and I will definitely get in touch with you and let you know exactly how I got that answer, okay? So check yourselves, and like I said, I know how much you guys love this, and I'm so sorry that we can't actually meet together, but I hope that you still find this beneficial, and I still want you to be able to do this so you can continue to challenge and grow your minds, okay? So it's up underneath the board, underneath the document camera. Okay, so for number 1, Jean went on a vacation with her parents in their family car. They left their home in Florida on Monday at 7:15 a.m. and arrived in North Carolina on Tuesday at 11:45 a.m. How long was their trip? Well, we know from Monday at 7:15 a.m. to Tuesday at 7:15 a.m. that would have been a whole 24 hours. So it's over 24 hours, and the exact length of time was 28 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, so 28 hours, 30 minutes. Okay, for the exact length of time. All right, number 2, Mr. Brown wanted to put up a fence around his property. How many feet of fencing did he need? The lawn is outlined to the right, but the picture is not drawn to scale. So you are missing these 2 pieces right here, and you have to use what's across from you to help you. So this whole side is 200 feet. If this is 75 feet, okay, the missing part right there, okay, was going to be 25 feet, okay, so 25 feet would go there. And if this whole thing is 185 feet and this missing, the part here is 150, then the missing part right here is 35. And then if you add everything up together, you should get 770 feet. Okay. Number 3, I love this. It had some fractions in there. Okay, you had to finish and complete the patterns. So from A, it goes from 3210, 3230, 3250, 3270, 3290. That one was pretty easy. You have 3310. So you're going up 20 cents each time. The next one, 720, 360, 180, 90. You're cutting it in half each time, 45. And then C is a half, a fourth, an eighth, a 16th, and it should be 1/32. Okay. Hopefully you're seeing all these. Number 4, box A has 3 red marbles and 2 yellow. Box B has 2 marbles and 1 yellow. If you pick a red marble to win a prize and you cannot look in the box, which box would give you the best chance of winning the prize? Okay, and your answer is box B would give you the highest probability, okay? Because A is 3 out of 5 chances and B is 2 out of 3. And if you do percentages wise, box B gives you the bigger percentage chance, okay? On to the back. This is kind of complicated to show. It says you can trace over this figure with a pencil without retracing any path if you start in the right place. Find the two places where you can do this, draw circles around them. So you should have drawn a circle around here, and you should have drawn a circle around there, okay? If 5 is added to number n and the answer is multiplied by 2, the result will be 24. What is the number n? And this answer is 7 because 5 plus 7 equals 12, and 12 times 2 equals 24. So your missing number is 7. Down below, we have more fractions. I was very excited. Estimate the answers below. So 3 and 10 11ths, that's super close to just 3. So that would be 3 plus, and then 2 and 1 over 1 and 100th is just 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay. Oh, sorry. I messed up there. This is not 3. My bad. Sorry, guys. Okay. 3 and 10 11ths, that's super close to a new whole because you are only 1 away. So that should be 4. Sorry, 4. Okay. And the correct answer is 6. So the closest that it is to is 6. My apologies. Okay. 5 and 2 47ths rounds to 5, and 2 and 1/35 rounds to 2, and that is a subtraction one there, not a addition one. And 5 minus 2 is 3. And then 6 and 17/19 rounds to 7 times 7 and 3 over 290 is 7, so that is 7 times 7 is 49. And then number 8, you need a half a cup of sugar to make a 3-layer cake. How much would you need to make a 1-layer cake? Okay, and the answer is 1/6. Okay, 1/6. And then it says, what is the product of the 10 one-digit numbers? Okay, and this is a trick one kind of. It's 0, because if you said 0 times 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 7 times 8 times 9. It doesn't matter what you multiply. Everything's going to be multiplied by 0, which would make it 0. Okay. All right, I know that was really quick, but if you have any questions about any of these answers, please let me know. Enjoy your next week's worth of Math Superstars and continue to challenge yourselves.